Hi friends, this is Barbara and we are back with another meal. Today is going to be Italian soup. We're going to make that with some Italian sausage. I do have to take this out of the casing and fry it up. Tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a cup of beef broth, some crushed tomatoes, some mixed vegetables, frozen mixed vegetables. This is going to be a crazy easy soup. I think the hardest part is doing the sausage, really. One last one. Oh, I should turn the stove on. Okay. And then we're just gonna kind of break that up. And once it starts cooking, it'll be easier to break up. I don't know why I want to do this, but you could just like pinch it apart. Just seems easier. Well, easy for me. You could do what's easy for you, because you know how we all have those little tricks and tips to do things easy in our kitchens. I was going to take the scissors and cut it, but I was like, nah. Let's just pinch it. I am so glad it's starting to get warmer outside. So much better. Snow is melting off the roof. I like spring and summer, but I don't like it when it's like really, really, really hot outside. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, we are going to brown this up. And you could use sweet sausage with this also. I have in the past. That's like my favorite. But the Italian sausage mild is what I had on hand. And I'm fine with that. I mean, the soup is going to turn out amazing anyway. And it could be better with your favorite Italian sausage. And this job will even be easier if you have like ground Italian sausage. I just had the links today, so that's, you just make it make. You make what you can. Use what you got. And this is frying up really good. I'm going to shift this to another burner, and we're going to get started on the soup. This is just the meat that we have to, this is probably the hardest part right here. Okay, putting onto another burner. Need to turn this down. Okay, so we're going to start with a big can of pureed tomatoes, but I had canned some tomatoes myself. These are already crushed or pureed. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. We want this to start getting hot. See, this is so easy. So while your sausage is cooking, you could start on the soup. So this will start getting hot. And we're going to do some more stuff to it. Oh, look there, nice and boiling. Okay, so the next thing, you don't have to do this step, but I am going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar, okay? What that is going to do is cut the acidity down, okay? That's why I do that. Personally, to me, I think it tastes better, but you don't have to put that in if you don't want. You could skip that part. Okay, now we're going to go in with a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Oh, geez Louise me. Okay. And then what we're going to do, we'll taste it, get everything in there, taste it. Before we put the sausage in, we might go in with another tablespoon of Italian seasoning. But I'm scooching to the back burner right now, and I am giving my Italian sausage a stir right now. We don't want it to burn. Okay, and then what we're going to go with next is some mixed vegetables. A cup of mixed vegetables, okay? And I do have a cup in here. Gosh, see how easy this is? I love easy recipes. I actually like easy, healthy recipes. So I'm going to start gearing more towards like healthy stuff. Okay, I have to get a spoon to taste. I'm going to let it cook just a little bit more because I need to know if I have to put more Italian seasoning in there. Just give it a little taste. It does need salt and pepper. I swear, every time I get a hold of the pepper thing, I go overboard. Like I'm in charge of the pepper and things are going to get peppered. Okay, and then here we got some salt. So I am putting salt in it, but we have to remember there is salt in that Italian sausage, I bet. I'm stirring my Italian sausage. Okay, stir this. Let that boil just a little bit more. I'm going to turn my Italian sausage off. Looks like they're both going to get done kind of at the same time. Okay, I'm going to get another spoon. When I'm taste testing stuff like this, I don't know why I just don't leave like a whole package of spoons right next to me. Oh yeah, that's better. Oops. You could definitely tell the difference putting the salt in there. Okay, I'll be right back. I have to wash my 2 spoons. Okay, I am back. Let's go with another tablespoon. Okay, so now, remember that cup of broth I was talking about? Okay, yep, it's that time. We're going to take a cup of beef broth and just throw that in there. And then let this come to a boil again. This soup is so stinking easy. think I'm going to turn my burner up too. So, I mean, I'm standing right here watching it. So I'm safe because sometimes I am prone to burning my food if I don't stand over the stove. I think that's why I like crock pot meals so much. You can just dump it, especially the dump meals. You just dump it in there and just go. Okay, we are starting to boil now. Nice. Just want to give it a few more seconds to really boil good. Okay, so in the comments below, list your favorite soup. I want to see what your favorite soups are. I mean, we are still in winter. We all should be cooking some soups, right? Okay. So, one thing, we're getting to the sausage now. I am going to dump the fat out of the sausage, but some people put it in. I'm not putting the fat in. So I am draining my sausage. Okay. Whoa, I almost lost it. Let's get that sausage inside of that soup. Woo woo, it's going now. Yes. Now we're going to let that get all married to each other. I'm going to give it a little tasty taste. Okay. So friends, I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know why is it just me, but I can't seem to cook a meal without putting onion and garlic powder in. Okay, there's some onion powder. And there is some garlic. Just, however much seasoning you like in there. There, I feel better about that. You just got to do what you got to do, ladies. I feel like, depending on how you like your soup, I'm going to turn this down now. This is done. I'm just going to put just a little bit more of that beef broth in there. Because look, that's still pretty good thickness there. That is good. Okay. I'm gonna taste it again. Oh my God. Ladies, put garlic and onion seasoning in it. It's amazing. This might be my new favorite soup. Okay, friends. So your soup is done now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, you keep on cooking. Love you, friends.